Let me ask you something. What would an extra $10,000 a month mean for you? Could it finally help you pay off that nagging debt, fund the dream vacation you've been postponing, or simply allow you to breathe without constantly stressing about bills? Now, what if I told you that hitting that income goal doesn't require you to quit your 9-to-5, invest in a fancy degree, or have years of experience? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to break down 7 proven side hustles that anyone, yes, anyone, can start today. These are legitimate ways people are earning $10,000 a month or more, and many of them didn't even know where to begin when they started. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about empowering you to achieve financial freedom. And today's video is going to give you actionable ideas to start building that extra income right now. So grab a pen, take notes, and make sure to watch till the end, because the last side hustle on this list could be the one that changes your life. Let's dive in. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is hands down one of the easiest ways to start earning extra income. If you can write, design, code, edit videos, or even manage social media accounts, there's a market for your skills. And guess what? Even if you don't have skills in these areas, you can learn many of them for free online. Here's how you can start. 1. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world. 2. Start small. Offer services like data entry, basic graphic design using Canva, or proofreading. Many beginners land gigs within weeks of signing up. 3. Over time, scale your offerings. Learn in-demand skills like copywriting, website design, or social media management through free YouTube tutorials or affordable courses. Many freelancers start with $20 to $30 per hour, but as you build your portfolio, you can charge over $100 an hour for premium services. If you land a few steady clients, earning $10,000 a month is entirely possible. Look for clients who need recurring services, like monthly blog posts or ongoing virtual assistants. This provides a reliable income stream. Number 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping has become a buzzword for a reason. It's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start an online business. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to stock products or worry about shipping. All you do is set up an online store, find products to sell, and let your supplier handle the rest. Here's how to get started. 1. Set up a store using Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly, even for beginners. 2. Find trending products using tools like Oberlo or AliExpress. Look for items with high demand and low competition. 3. Market your products through targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. 4. Once sales start rolling in, reinvest your profits into more advertising to scale your store. Dropshipping stores can scale quickly, especially if you master online advertising. Some people hit $10,000 a month in their first year. Focus on a specific niche, like pet accessories or eco-friendly products. Niches help you target the right customers more effectively. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale you make. What's great is that you don't need to create products or handle customer service. You simply connect buyers with products. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. 2. Create content. Blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts that educates or entertains your audience while recommending these products. 3. Use your affiliate links in your content. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a percentage. For example, let's say you review tech gadgets on YouTube. You could include affiliate links to the products you discuss in the video description. Affiliate marketers can earn a few $100s a month starting out, but with time, effort, and consistency, some scale their income to $10,000 or more monthly. Focus on high-ticket affiliate programs, those that offer larger commissions per sale. Number 4, selling digital products. Do you have knowledge, expertise, or a creative streak? Selling digital products might be your ticket to financial freedom. The best part? You create the product once and sell it repeatedly. Here are some ideas. 1. Ebooks. Write a guide on a topic you're passionate about. For instance, how to save money on groceries, or Beginner's Guide to Investing. 2. Online courses. Share your knowledge on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. 3. Templates. Design templates for resumes, social media posts, or business plans. Digital products have high profit margins since there's no inventory or shipping involved. Many creators earn over $10,000 per month by scaling their offerings through email marketing and social media. Offer your product at a lower price initially to get reviews and testimonials, then gradually increase the price as demand grows. Number 5. Renting out assets. Do you have a car, a spare room, or even a camera collecting dust? Why not rent them out for cash? Here are some platforms to help you get started. 1. Turo. Rent out your car when you're not using it. 2. Airbnb. Turn your extra room or property into a short-term rental. 3. Fat Llama. Rent out equipment like cameras, tools, or even musical instruments. Depending on your location and the assets you own, renting can bring in anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a month, or more during peak demand. Keep your assets well maintained and provide excellent service to earn great reviews. This will help you attract more renters. Number 6. Social media management. Businesses know they need to be on social media, but many don't have the time or expertise to manage it. That's where you come in. Here's what social media managers do. 1. Create content. Posts, videos, graphics. 2. Engage with followers and respond to comments. 3. Plan and execute ad campaigns. No experience? Learn the basics through free tutorials on YouTube or platforms like Coursera. Then offer your services to small businesses in your area. With a handful of clients paying $1,000 to $2,500 a month, you can easily hit $10,000. Focus on industries that rely heavily on social media, like restaurants, fitness, or fashion. Number 7. Print on demand. If you love creativity, print on demand is a fun and profitable side hustle. Here's how it works. 1. Use platforms like Printful or Redbubble to upload your designs. 2. Customers browse your online store and place orders. 3. The platform handles production and shipping and you earn royalties. What sells? Think funny t-shirts, unique mugs, or trendy tote bags. Successful print-on-demand stores often earn thousands a month by creating products tailored to specific audiences, like dog lovers or gamers. Use social media to promote your designs for free and reach a wider audience. Well, there you have 7 proven side hustles that can help you earn up to $10,000 a month, all without prior experience. The only question now is, which one will you start with? Take action today. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. And remember, consistency is key. Success doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you commit. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like this video to show your support. Subscribe for more tips to grow your income, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle excites you the most. Or, if you've already started one, share your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and here's to building your path to financial freedom.